welcome guys to Edisma Learning. Today we're gonna learn how to make a Choropleth map using Google Sheets. So before we start, I would like to discuss a little bit about it. Guys, a Choropleth map is a map that uses different shades of color or the placing of symbols within the predefined area to indicate the average value of a property or quantity in those areas. So guys, you might have seen Choropleth map in the news these days, as mostly COVID-19 data is represented by the Choropleth map. Now let's have a look at Canada government's website for COVID-19. So as we land on this page, we can see that the data is represented by the Choropleth map. So guys, now let's learn how to create Choropleth maps on Google Sheets. So guys, I'm going to take my data from Worldometer website. This site gives live update of COVID-19 data. Also, I have captured this data on 27th June 2020. Here it gives region and country-wise data. I'm going to select North America region. Now I'm going to click United States. As you can see, it gives details of COVID-19 cases in United States. It is showing COVID-19 data of all the cities as we can see. I'm selecting all the data and I will copy and paste it in Google Sheets. Here's my Google Sheet and I'm gonna paste my data here. It has a lot of information in many columns and I need to select my variable format. As I am taking series of United States and total number of cases, so I will select and delete rest of my columns. I'm going to select the two columns city and number of cases and I will insert chart. I'm going to insert tab, insert chart here. It is showing me a histogram. I need to change it to Choropleth map, so I click chart type and selected geomap. It is a geomap and we need to customize it. For that, I will go to chart editor and then customize it. In customize, I click geo and change region from world to United States. We can click on the map and see cities and number of cases. I can also customize colors. I have selected light blue for minimum and a little bit darker for mild. Darkest for maximum and white for no value. Here we got our Choropleth map. We can also modify it by giving color to its background and border of the map. For that, we will go to Customize tab and choose Chart Style. Now I'm giving yellow color to the background. We can also give border color as you can see. This is my final Choropleth map. Let's click and check the information. As I click the area, I can see the city and number of cases. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.
Zombie apocalypse.